Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Mrs. Sophia Suhail is here. Class 9, Unit 6, Exercise 6.3. Question number 1, 6 part I have taken. This part is almost same as I have solved in my previous video for the part number 5. Okay. So we will do in the same way. We will continue in the same way. Here are the terms are 3. But the first term is a whole square number. Last one is not a whole square number. 12 is not a whole square number. So in this way, we have to check the strategy that what we can do. So we can open the square, and after that we can check that if we can suppose our value into the other. If we are opening the square, it will become 4 4, but if we are keeping this as a, so taking square will satisfy our results also. So let's take that one. I'm writing over here that let we can suppose x plus 1 over x as a. Squaring both sides, okay, when we take the square of this one, x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 times x into 1 over x, the formula we have taken, the product of first and second term. Okay, this is cancelled. So x square plus 1 over x square will be equal to a square and then minus 2. Putting the value of this one and this one over here and here, we can change our expression as putting the values. The value is a square minus 2. Square is here, so we will use the same square. Minus 4. This value is changed as a plus 12. Now, still it's not in the whole square form, this term. So we have to open, then use the constant term with this number. So whole square, if we are opening a minus b whole square, so first term square, that is a square, minus 2 times first term into second term. First term is a square, second term is 2, plus 2 term plus second term square. I open the square from here to here. If still you are not good in opening the square, so please make a practice of a plus b whole square in many different formation of a and b. Okay, and a minus b whole square taking different values in the place of a and b. Minus 4a plus 12. This will become a4. This is becoming minus 2 to the 4a square. This is becoming plus 4 minus 4a and plus 12. After that, we will add the constant terms. I continue in this process. I just forgot a square over here. When I put over square over here, I got my mistake. Okay, so a4 and then minus this and this will add up, minus 8a square. This and this will add up as plus 16. Now we will do factorization at this step. After checking that variable is in order. For the factorization, first term should be written in the whole square form. So which are the two terms? Same to each other, a square and a square. Square form 16. Which are the two same terms? 4 and 4. A square whole square and this is 4 whole square. Okay. 2 times first term and last term plus last term is 4 square. First term is a square, last term is 4. Okay. So as the equation is satisfied, so it will be closed as first term minus last term whole square. Once we find out the whole square form, now we will take the square root, which we have to do for every question. Taking square root, a square minus 4 whole square will be equals to plus minus a square minus 4. Until it is solved, now we can replace the value. Okay, what is the value of a? That is x plus 1 over x from here. So x plus 1 over x whole square minus 4. This is our final answer, whether you can open this one or just keep as it is. So this answer can be written in the same form. So until here, the one form of the questions are done. So now we will start the next formation of the questions. Okay. Yes, if the question is that quadratic, 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 and then you have to take the square root, okay? You have to find out the square root by the factorization way, factorization method. It means that you must change this into two factors, this also in two factor, this also in two factor, okay? So just make a place over here for changing in two factors, and we make the factorization here, okay? So the first one is this one, x square plus 3x plus 2. How we can change it into the factor? In this equations, we will use the sum and product method or middle term breaking method, okay? Sum and product. Sum is plus 3. Product is the product of first and last term. 1, 2s are 2. And the sign is plus. You need to factorize the product. 1, 2s are 2. Okay. So these two numbers on addition giving this. So it means same sign will be placed here. Once you are done with this one, so directly you can know if the coefficient of variable is 1, so these are your direct factors with the same variable. As follow me how you will write: same variable plus 1, same variable plus 2, but make sure your coefficient should be 1 over here. So this is the shortcut way, directly writing the factors. Now change this into this sum and product method. X square plus 4x plus 3, sum and product method. Okay, sum is plus 4 and product is plus 3, like 1 3s are 3. So the product of 3 1 3s are 3, as 3 is a prime number, and on adding it's giving plus 4. It means same sign with both factors. So now again it's x plus 1 and x plus 3. Write down over here x plus 1, x plus 3. After that, x square plus 5x plus 6 will be factorized with sum and product. Sum is plus 5, 6, product is 6. And now plus 6. Factorize the product term. 1 6 are 6, because 1 plus 6 not giving 5. 1 minus 6 not giving, means on subtraction it is giving. Let's check. On subtraction if it is giving, so plus this one minus this one. But when we are taking this one, the product is not giving positive 6. It's giving sum of this number. These two numbers are giving on addition this number, but on multiplying not giving this number. So we cannot take this factor. Now 2 3s are 6. On adding it is giving plus 5, and on multiplying it is giving plus 6. So these are the best suitable factor for this equation. It's expression. So x plus 2 and x plus 3 are the two factors for this one. X plus 2 and x plus 3. Okay. Now it's factorized completely. Now check all these factors. These two are same, these two are same, and these two are same. So in the next statement, keep this all as you're working, but this working is important, so keep it with it. Okay, equations are very long, so we cannot write it on the answer on the side of the page. Better to make a box, make full working over here, and then continue your question like now. This is equal to x plus 1 whole square, x plus 2 whole square, x plus 3 whole square. This is done by mistake. They are multiplying with each other. Take the square root on all. Let me take on the next page. Now taking square root. So taking square root, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 will be giving you the final answer as all squares will be cancelled with the square root, and you will get this final answer. Okay, so this is your final answer. In the same book, the next question is also same. Let me continue that question on the next page now. Yes, The next question is this one, and here also I tell you that when you are getting the quadratic expression like this one, you must factorize each quadratic expression separately, okay? Whatever the easiest way you are looking for. So first expression, take this one. It's better to separate factorize each expression instead of doing the full question in a combined way, because it makes you confuse in writing one statement, thinking about one expression and then other. Better to factorize one expression completely. So this will be factorized with the sum and product method. Sum is plus 8 and the product is plus 7. So factorize 7. Obviously 7 is a prime number. So 1 sevens are 7 will be factored. On adding it is giving 8. So when on adding factors are giving this sum number, use the same sign with both. So this is x plus 1 and x plus 7 is the factors of this. Now another one, take second factors, 2x square minus x minus 3. Sum and product. Sum is minus 1 and the product is minus 2 threes are 6. Factorize, it will be 2 threes are 6. When on addition it's not giving this, and on subtraction it is giving this number. So use this sign with big number and opposite sign to the small number. At this step, how you will write down that factors. So whether if you, it's better if you can write down in a complete way and solve. Otherwise I can find out the shortcut also for you. Yes, write down these factors once. Plus 2 x minus 3x and minus 3. Now what you will do, you will take 2x common. So what is this common number here, and what is left inside x plus 1, write them over here. Now out of these, minus 3 common, so write minus 3 here and it is solved. Okay. Next one is the last. Take the last factor expression, 2x square plus 11x minus 21. The sum is plus 11 and the product is minus 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, minus 42. Factorize the minus 42, and after that, how many factor? 142 not working, 221 not working to give 11. 3 is dividing, yes, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So this is working to give you 11, but on subtraction, when on subtraction the factors are giving this number, so use this sign with bigger number and opposite sign with small number. Now the product is also satisfied and sum is also satisfied. As the coefficient is not 1, so directly we will not write in that form, we will use the other method. Not very long, write down this, minus 3x plus 14x minus 21. You will make the two factors place. Okay, what are you taking common from here? That is x, you will write here, and what is left you will write over here. After taking x common, 2x left, so write here 2x minus and 3 left. From here also what is taken common? Plus 7. So what is left here? 2x minus 3. Yeah, that's okay. So like this you can find out the factors. And now collect the factors. Now you can write the statement if you don't want to write the statement, that expression complete. Now given expression will becomes first expression factorized as x plus 1 and x plus 7. Second factorized as 2x square minus x minus 3 and sorry, I write down the complete factor. What I do now, let me use the whitener. I forgot to write. Yes, I make the whitener. I conceal my mistake. And then the last one is x plus 7. So you need to be focused. Okay. Now check that if there are two factors same, obviously same, x plus 1, you can write in square form. X plus 7, write in square form. 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3, write in square form. Until here, if you are not getting two same factors, it means you have done a mistake over here and your question cannot be solved with the factor form until you are getting in the whole square form. Okay. Now, after completely factorization, so you can take the square root now. Taking square root, write down properly. Don't just don't just include anything at any time. You have to make a proper symmetry in your question. Okay. Taking square root, so we are taking square root. Whenever I take the square root, I do not put the equal sign over here because I'm just taking a new step, so this step is not equal to the previous step. Okay, so when you're writing taking square root, don't put the equal sign here because it's not equal to the previous step. If you want to put equal sign, so then you have to put the square root on all the expression from the top to the bottom. So taking square root of this one, x plus 7 whole square, 2x minus 3 whole square, that is equals to plus minus, I'm writing it here, x plus 1, x plus 7 and 2x minus 3, and this is your answer. Okay. Thank you so much. I think I'll start the next question in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.